everyone, Uncle Jess here. I have reviewed a lot of the Marvel Legendary series of replica props, everything from the Infinity Gauntlet behind me, Doctor Strange's Time Stone, we've got Iron Man's helmet, and including Captain America's shield behind me. And today we're gonna be looking at their latest, which is the Thor Love and Thunder hammer that Thor is wielding in the movie. This hammer that has been reassembled and looks like it's gonna light up and make some sound effects. I picked this up off of Amazon for $132. I just saw that it was available over there and available with Prime shipping, so picked one up for myself. It's the same price that you can find over on Hasbro Pulse's website, but you don't have to wait for them to actually ship it out to you. And I forgot to plug in my microphone, so I'm gonna give you a little bit of voiceover play-by-play. As usual, Hasbro does a fantastic job with the packaging of their props to make sure that none of these are gonna arrive damaged once you receive them. Here I'm admiring the fake leather that's used for the strap as well as on the handle here. Obviously the quality isn't gonna be something as great as if you made it yourself or if you bought a higher quality prop. The prop itself looks great, but the paint job leaves something a little bit to be desired. You can see some paintbrush line strokes on the actual prop. I'm not sure if that's by design or what exactly. Just looks a little odd. And the finishing just isn't as great as I've seen on some of their other props. This is a perfect example of a prop that you could run off and try and refinish yourself with a little bit of weathering. Also, it comes with a stand, which is fantastic. So you can set this at an angle on your desktop. They also did a great job with hiding the seam where the batteries go here in this compartment. There's this little piece here that just snaps off. I honestly couldn't find it at first. Then you're just gonna need a small screwdriver to undo the screws here so that you can install the batteries. All right, let's test it out. It's a little stormy. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a good bit louder. Sort of the Thor catching the hammer sound of it. This is a lot louder than I was expecting it to be. Yeah, there's three sounds like distinctive sound effects that it just kind of cycles through. One thing that I'm interested in is I believe in the instructions here, it looks like similar to the Infinity Gauntlet behind me, you can long press the button here on the handle and it should just allow this to stay illuminated for, I don't know how long it's gonna be. I'm assuming it's gonna be 60 seconds because that's how long the Infinity Gauntlet is. God, that is so loud. Oh, I guess not. Apparently not. That's not going to do that at all. There's also no motion sensing or anything like that, like you see in a lightsaber. I thought maybe you'd get like the thunder sound effects. No, there's no nothing like that. But for 130 bucks, it's okay. Maybe the long button press does actually work here. Yeah, this isn't reacting to me moving it, so. It does look like the long button press. If you wanted to use this as a display piece like I like to do in my videos behind me, I would be able to use this. It just takes about 30 seconds for it to cycle on. And then it's just gonna pulsate here with its glowing effect. And then I could just put it on its stand. Why don't I just put it on the table? Now, do I think this is worth 130 of your hard-earned dollars? No, not really. This definitely, if you're interested in something that's a finished prop, then yeah, it's something that's great. I am planning on 3D printing my own variation of this. Nikko Industries has a great looking file that I'm gonna be using to build my own variation of this here. But if you wanted to, maybe you don't have a 3D printer and you wanted it as a base for a prop, or maybe you're doing some Thor cosplay, then yeah, this should probably be a great option for you. That light just turned off, so maybe, I don't know, 5 minutes, 10 minutes? Not even. I didn't press that button that long ago. I thought this was gonna stay on for at least an hour. So that's interesting, but it's nice that it comes with a stand. This is a pretty cool looking display piece. If you are interested in picking up one of these for yourself, I'll have links over to Amazon where you can find that. I'll also have links over to Hasbro Pulse's website, so if you want to pick it up from there. And let me know down in the comments if you want to see me try and weather this and make it look even cooler, because I'm definitely interested in that. And if anything, I think I'm just gonna use this as a baseline design for my own stand that I'm gonna model in 3D print for my own hammer. Hey, thanks again for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.